Happy good morning! Are you all out of craft supplies? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer out of a straw along with the help of some items from around the house. This is part 6 of a 10-part series. You can watch the full video here or watch them each individually. Check out the links below for more cheap, simple, and easy to make reindeer crafts. Sunny, what's this?
Pick it up.
Oh, it's a bendy straw. Is this all I get? An old red and white twist tie.
Yep.
What can I make with these? I know, this straw reminds me of the old candy cane reindeer we used to make as a kid. Let's make a similar one using this bendy straw. Start by folding a brown pipe cleaner in half and then cut it. Cut one half again and again until you end up with 4 small pieces. Take the larger piece and twist it around the top of the bendy straw.
Reindeer antlers are the largest and heaviest compared to their body size than all other deer species.
Fascinating, Sunny. Shape the pipe cleaner by bending each side near the middle. Next, take a smaller piece and twist once around the larger pipe cleaner. Turn up the ends to help give it an authentic antler look. Repeat this 3 more times. We're going to use the twist tie as miniature bows. Cut in half and twist each half around each antler.
Did you know both male and female reindeer have antlers?
Really?
Not only that, but females keep their antlers in the winter and males lose theirs. That means all of Santa's reindeer are girls.
Well, at least the ones that pull a sleigh.
Yep.
Add eyes and a fuzzy nose. Cut a small piece of embroidery floss. Glue and wrap around the reindeer's neck. Trim the edges and let's add something cute. I used sparkly foam and cut a mini heart. Add a matching bow from ribbon and you've completed Cupid's lovely look.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming Christmas, and I'll see you again for more amazing craft ideas. Happy crafting!
Good time.